Want to know how to use Mailchimp for custom campaigns and take your email marketing to the next level? In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to get started with Mailchimp's custom campaigns, from creating your list to designing the perfect email. And the best part? You can use Mailchimp completely free with our exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. So, let's dive right in. First thing you'll need to do is set up your audience. Before anything, you need a list of people to send your campaign to. In Mailchimp, you can easily create and manage your audience. You can import contacts from a CSV, sync your audience from another platform, or even manually add them one by one. Mailchimp lets you segment your audience based on location, behavior, or preferences, so you can target the right people with the right message. This is essential for creating personalized campaigns. Next thing, create a custom campaign. Head to the Campaigns tab and click on Create Campaign. Mailchimp offers a variety of campaign types, but we'll focus on regular emails for now. Once you've chosen your campaign type, you'll be asked to select your audience. If you've segmented your contacts like we mentioned earlier, now's the time to select the specific group you want to target. Now, let's talk about designing your email. Mailchimp's drag and drop editor is perfect for this. You can choose from pre-built templates or start from scratch. The key here is to make your email visually appealing while staying on brand. Add your images, text, and call to action, CTA. A strong CTA is crucial, whether it's a button or a link. You want to guide your subscribers toward your goal, whether it's a purchase, a sign-up, or a download. The fourth thing you'll want to focus on is personalization. Mailchimp lets you dynamically insert subscriber details like their name, location, or past purchases. This makes your emails feel more personal and can increase engagement. Use merge tags to insert this data into your subject line, body copy, or footer. Next, let's talk about automating your campaigns. This is where Mailchimp truly shines. You can set up automated workflows to send emails at the right time. Whether it's a welcome series for new subscribers, a birthday email, or a cart abandonment reminder, Mailchimp allows you to build out these automated flows and schedule them based on your audience's behavior. This can save you a ton of time while still delivering relevant content to your subscribers. And here's something many people miss: testing your campaign. Mailchimp allows you today to test your subject lines, content, and send times. This is a great way to find out what resonates best with your audience. By testing, you ensure that each campaign you send out is optimized for the best results. Finally, don't forget to track your results. After sending your campaign, you can analyze its performance in the Reports tab. Mailchimp provides insights into open rates, click-through rates, and even subscriber growth. This helps you refine your strategy and improve your future campaigns. If you're wondering how to start using Mailchimp for custom campaigns, this is your chance to do it for free with our exclusive offer. Just click the first link below and get an extended free trial to Mailchimp, so you can explore all these features without paying a dime. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the free trial below. You won't want to miss out on all the features Mailchimp has to offer for your custom campaigns.